sungutho pajba alor kajing klan bat kajin runa bam umpinang ki kali arsaka ba penmi da company Yamaha menta ka singi ka company ka layo ban penlong ka program ban khmi ya ka kombam umpinang ki kali arsaka ka bala tip kum ka hybrid mileage challenge ya ka bala penlong na Yamaha showroom Nongpoh sha umran bat 15 yang ska ka showroom hagane ka singi bala penlong ya program lawan man benta da nongmi khamat ka Yamaha showroom Nongpoh ba Michael Kharunai hakajinya lang ka kunhun jong ka Yamaha na nongba shillong lawan man bentaru da ki khandai ngut ka samla ki britrai ya ki kali arsaka company Yamaha
nagaling doon ka Yamaha TV ko ako'y mandakasngi layo ang tulong na yun ka hybrid mileage campaign na gawa nila pagin tulong na yun ka program. Jadi, agak ki customer layo ang test na lang ng ya kiskuti ko yung kada sin ko ba sa siyo sa ating ba mo pati customer program kinyo ang tip ay ko ba ki nung kam na pagtutur na ki paglala pagtip mo taga sini ang kiskuti ko bala test drive may problem na ilayo kamalis ko ba prako iso ay kung meron ka company yung Yamaha kung may program scam na ng spam ng tulong susyo mga po ikaw maging customer din ng tip ya kamya ya ka mileage ng mga company ko ay register ng team mo gawin ibawan mas strong na kung doon ng po iba yung ani ka si tulong ko ba police.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. This is Sajid Hassan from Yamaha company, and I am here in a beautiful event like a hybrid mileage challenge activity that is conducted by Yamaha Frank Yamaha Shillong. So as you can see that in the background, we have a hybrid mileage challenge activity. In this activity, we have called 10 customers, okay, and we have given the chance to customers to take out the best mileage from their scooters. And we have adopting the fuel mileage calculation as per the standard of method that we have adopted. So right, so for the top 3 winners, we have given the first one 2,000 and 3,000 rupees for the winners also along with the trophy. Every participant has got the certificate including the Yamaha tumbler provided by the Yamaha company. So it's been a great over here tonight. Enjoy. Everyone has been enjoyed a lot, and all the customers has been very much satisfied with their scooter performance. The highest, the winner is taking the 86 kmp per liter, followed by 82 and followed by 81 something. So this is all the expectation of the customers before starting these activities was something like that 40 or 50. After the activity, it was came to know that everybody is surprised. Oh, Yamaha ZR is giving so much of mileage. So it's been quite good. Our staff is very much delighted. Our sales team is very much delighted. Our dealer VIP is very much delighted. So it is not just the end in this kind of activity. We have to extend further. We have to extend further in our local team also, in our YBC network also, and in our different branches also. So I hope this activity will give us the momentum to improve the further sales of the scooter in the market of Shillong. So thanks for joining us. This is again, I am welcoming you on behalf of, thanks for joining and thanks for giving the time to the Yamaha team. So thank you everyone, and thank you Frank Yamaha Shillong, and thank you Yamaha. Thank you.